subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Nokia is all set to launch its new smartphone under G series called Nokia G21, and before the launch, the upcoming smartphone key specification has spotted on Geekbench listing. According to listing, the Nokia G21 will come powered by Unisoc T606 chipset, paired with 4GB of RAM, and it will run on Android 11 out of the box. Apart from this, the Nokia G21 was previously reported to support a 6.5-inch HD+ display with 20:9 aspect ratio. The smartphone will pack with 128GB of onboard storage that will support microSD expansion. The handset will house a triple camera setup on the rear that will include one 50MP main camera along with the 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor. And for selfies, it will have an 8MP camera at the front. The device is said to come equipped by 5050 mAh battery, and it will be available in black and dust color options. So as of now, that's all we know about the Nokia G21 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.